Hi everyone, it's Aska here. In this video, I will show you how to make snow globe nails with falling snow. If you drop your favorite things such as glitter, flame, and parts inside your nails, the world of fantastic snow globe will sparkle and sway every time your fingers move. It's just fun just watching how to drop liquid in your nails and how to make them. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. After applying a base coat to your nails and curing it, sticky uncured gel will remain on the surface of your nails. So first, wipe this off. Soak a paper towel in ethanol to wipe off the stickiness. If you proceed to the next step with uncured gel remaining, the glitter you put in the snow globe will stick to the uncured gel and will not move. Next, make a space on your natural nail to let the liquid in. First, prepare a nail tip that is 2 to 3 sizes smaller than the size of your natural nail. Choose a size that leaves a gap of about 1 millimeter when you place the tip on your natural nail. Next, attach the tip you have chosen to your natural nail. Use a stretchy gel such as icing gel or art gel, and apply it only to this U-shaped area where the tip will be glued to the nail. Also, make sure to use a non-wipe type gel here. After applying gel to the end of the tip, place it on your nail. Here, you are just temporarily attaching the tip to your nail, so don't worry if there is a small gap and let it harden. Once it hardens, cover the adhesive surface between the tip and your nail again with icing gel. Apply the gel thoroughly to fill in any gaps that the gel could not cover and to eliminate any unevenness between the nail and the tip. If there is a gap, the oil will leak out, so it is important to cover it firmly here. And make sure to leave the base of the nail open and not cover it with gel. This is where the oil and parts will be poured in. After applying the gel, cure it. Next, put your favorite lame, glitter, or anything else you like in the space between the tip and the nail. The things to be careful of here is not to be too greedy and put in too much. If you put too many pieces, it may not move properly. So put mainly lightweight materials such as lame inside and keep the large parts to 2 or 3 pieces. When you have finished putting them in, pour the oil. Here is what you will use: a syringe for refilling cosmetics and baby oil. I recommend that the oil you put inside be as smooth and not viscous as possible. First, suck up the baby oil with the syringe. Once you've sucked it up, pour the oil little by little from the base of the nail. Do not fill the tip full of oil, but leave a little air in it. This will create air bubbles that will move the holograms and other things. Once you've finished filling the oil, wipe off the oil on the spout with kitchen paper soaked in ethanol. This is because the gel will easily come off if there's any oil left when the spout is sealed afterwards. Next, use clay gel to seal this spout. Do not touch the clay gel directly with your hands, but wear gloves when handling it. Once it is tightly sealed to prevent oil leakage, cure it with the nail light. Finally, apply a no-wipe top coat to the entire surface to finish. Once you have applied it all over, cure it. This completes the process. The glitters raise gently every time you move your fingers, creating a super cute design that looks just like a snow globe. How did you like the snow globe nails? This is a very unique and eye-catching nail design, but it is also difficult to do. We recommend this design for those who want to create a nail design that stands out from the crowd, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.